Hello, my healthy people. Welcome back to Maxine's Corner. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make 3 healthy smoothies for back to school. These smoothies are going to keep you energized and ready to go. So let's get started. So the first smoothie that we're going to be making is a pineapple, strawberry, mango, and peach smoothie. Okay, and these is all frozen. So I bought one of these frozen fruits. Here you go. To make it simple for you guys, I'm going to add my frozen fruits in. And once again, like I said, this is pineapple, strawberry, mango, and peaches. No sugar added, okay? So to that, I'm going to be adding a cup of water. And once again, we want to make it simple and easy, especially in the morning when you have to get yourself ready or get kids ready. Once again, this is just frozen fruits, pineapples, strawberries, mangoes, and peaches all together. A little energy to get us moving in the morning. You have an exam coming up, whatever it is, we're getting ready for back to school, back to work, whatever it is you're getting back to. This is perfect. All right, so this is all frozen. I'm just gonna put it on the blender and we're gonna get started. So this is what it looks like. Yes, this is our first smoothie, and this could be used for breakfast in the morning, could be used for lunch, and you can also have it for dinner. So let's move on to our second smoothie. My second smoothie is pretty much for my coffee lovers. So if you're a coffee lover and you don't want to drink too much coffee, well then I have the perfect smoothie for you. So what I did was I pretty much just brewed some coffee, and you can use any coffee that you like, and I'm using 1/2 cup of coffee, 2 teaspoons of peanut butter, 1 cup of almond vanilla milk, 1 teaspoon of maple syrup, well, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So I'm using 1/2 banana. Once again, it's just a little power shot to get us going. Then I'm going to add a cup of crushed ice, and that's it. This is what it looks like. Alright guys, so it's time to pour. This is a perfect pre-workout smoothie. Voila! You're welcome. Enjoy on your way to work, to school, to take that test, to the library, to study, whatever it is. Maxine's Corner got you covered. I have one more energizing smoothie to start the school year off. For this one, I'm going to be using a handful of cucumbers. This is our green machine. And it's going to be 2 cups of frozen mangoes. You could use, if you don't have frozen, that's perfectly fine. So 2 cups of frozen mangoes. Okay. By the way, guys, this one is also perfect for kids because the mango is going to mask the flavor of the cucumbers and the spinach. Okay, and you could also add milk to this if you want any nut milk of your choice. All right, so that's pretty much it. I'm going to cover this up. This is what it looks like. Let's get energized. Simple, easy, nothing crazy in the morning, nothing crazy for lunch, nothing crazy for a snack. These are perfect for whatever that you're making. Breakfast, lunch, or dinner, after school snack, whatever you want to do. Perfect, 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 perfect. Kids are going to love it. You're going to love it. Back to school, dorm, whatever, it's perfect to make. Make sure you have a high-speed blender. This is our green machine. Let's get energized. Let's get energized. Let's get physical. That's number 3. Energizing smoothies for back to school, back to work, wherever you're going back to. It's perfect for dorms. It's perfect for whatever you want. That's all I have for Maxine's Corner today, guys. If you love this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up.